When we fast, the change doesn't just happen in the stomach. Something far deeper wakes up inside every cell. A built-in cleanup system known as autophagy. It's the moment the cell realizes food isn't coming, so it shifts gears. Growth pauses and maintenance takes over. Inside this quiet switch, the cell starts sorting through its own clutter. Damaged proteins, broken parts, old mitochondria, even harmful bacteria hiding inside. All of it gets dismantled, recycled, and turned into fresh energy or rebuilt into stronger components. It's like the cell opens its own repair shop and gets to work. This internal cleanup slows the buildup of waste linked to aging, sharpens the efficiency of mitochondria, and strengthens the cell's ability to handle stress. It's a reset button built into our biology, one that only activates when we stop eating for a while. So fasting isn't just a spiritual act or a break from food. It's a signal that tells the body, time to repair, time to renew. A reminder that some of the most powerful changes happen when we give the body a moment of stillness.